Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the snack pan slide in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new snack pan slide. This is the left side snack pan slide. The pair of the snack pan slides allows the snack pan to slide in and out. If the snack pan won't slide easily, check the pan slide and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. We're going to move out this snack pan by sliding it out. Next, we're going to remove the shelf, lift it up, and release the hooks at the back. Now we can take it out and put it on the table so we can remove the slides. All right, so this is our shelf, and place it on the table on the right side. We're going to remove this left side. There's two Torx 15 screws, and I'm using a Torx 15 screwdriver. I'm going to take them out to release the slide. This is the old snack pan slide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm going to install the new slide in. We have two holes here, one at the end and one is here. And we're going to match them with two holes here, like that. And we're going to install two Torx 15 screws using a screwdriver. And now I'm going to install the shelf back into the fridge. The hooks at the back locks into the openings. Make sure it's locked. And now it's a good time to place the snack pan back on. And slide it on the rails and push it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.